Hello everyone and welcome back. I am going to be doing a 4th of July eyeshadow tutorial today because it is the 4th of July. So to get started, I'm going to be doing this red loose pigment, and this is in the shade Heartbroken. So I'm going to get that and I'm going to just kind of tap it off. I'm going to use that as my transition shade above the crease. Okay, and then next I am going to grab this deep blue, the royal blue, and I am gonna put that mostly all over the lid, but I'm gonna be keeping the center open so we can kind of halo it out. And then while I got that color, I'm going to sweep it a little bit underneath the lower lash line. And then I'm going to grab this white here and stick that in the center. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna put that on my brow bone area, and then we're gonna also use it to highlight the inner corner. And then a little bit underneath the lower lash line. And now I am going to I've got some cream shadows here in blue. I'm going to take that and I'm going to go over on the outer corner. Actually, I'm going to put that on the inner corner. You know what? I'm going to do it all over the whole thing. And then I'm going to come back with that white. Okay, and then I'm going to come in with a white pencil. I'm going to stick that on the waterline. Now I've got this blue eyeliner that I'm going to use. And then right over that, there is this shimmery, it's kind of like a clear silver shimmer. I'm going to stick that right over that eyeliner that I did. Alright, and now I'm going to finish up with the other side and then we'll do some mascara. Okay, now we're going to finish off with some lash primer and some mascara. Alright, and just quickly I'm gonna put on some of this pressed glitter here from Hard Candy, just a little bit of this white right in the middle. Okay, and this is the final look. Thanks for watching. Happy 4th. We'll see you next time.